Sup guys, how are you? Since you enjoyed the previous tutorial, I brought you how we can model our own Fall Guys character. Also, I would like to say if you guys learned something from it, consider liking and subscribing. Now let's get to the video. We will start by adding our reference image, which you will find on Fall Guys website. Also, there is a challenge on making your own Fall Guys character, so this video might help you. So after adding reference, add a cube and give it a subdivision modifier to give it more geometry. Also press right click and smooth shading to make it smooth. Scale it and position it at the head. Extrude the lower face to make the body. Press Ctrl R to add a loop cut. See the circle, select and select multiple vertices. Adjust those vertices to fit the reference. Now go to the side view by pressing 3 on the number pad. Continue to adjust the vertices by pressing R to rotate and G to grab or move. Let's apply the subdivision modifier at 1. Select the front 6 faces and press I to inset. Press N and in the Tools tab click on X to enable X mirroring. Move the vertices to match with the circular shape of the face. Adjust from the side as well. Select the face and extrude in. Now extrude it back out and scale it up. Scale it into Y, then press 0 to flatten it. Select the side edges and press G twice to slide them a little to the back. Now apply a subdivision modifier, then adjust the body. Don't forget to save your project. Time for the arms. Go to side view and select those faces and inset them by pressing I, then right click for Loop Tools and set it to Circle. Loop Tool is a free add-on you can enable in User Preference and in the add-ons. Scale it in the X to 0 to flatten it in the X direction. Align the vertices to the base of the hand and continue extruding them to make the arms. Adjust it from the side as well. Press Alt and Z to go in X-ray mode, then adjust the vertices to make the shape look close to the reference. Delete half of the body and add in a mirror modifier. Let's make the eyes by duplicating some faces. But be sure to uncheck clipping in the mirror modifier, and also turn off X mirroring. After that, duplicate scale and adjust the faces to make the eyes. Extrude the eyes to give them thickness. Let's give the eye a black shiny viewport material. For the legs, we will be using a similar method. Select the bottom two faces and duplicate. Before that, be sure to disable clipping in the mirror modifier. After duplicating, move it down to the base of the foot and flatten it in the Z direction by scaling in the Z to 0. Now extrude and scale and move vertices to make the foot match the reference. After you think the foot is done, it's time to join it to the body. To do that, first inset the bottom two faces and make them a circle. Delete that face. Select both loops and bridge them. After that, press Shift N to calculate normals. Continue to adjust the vertices to match with the reference. Now let's apply both the mirror and subdivision modifier. Delete the other half and add another mirror modifier. For the fingers, let's start by converting these two faces to circles. Now these two faces. And finally inset and convert these four faces to circles. Make sure they are equal size. Extrude them downwards to make the fingers, and adjust them a bit. Now add a loop cut to all the fingers. Move them outwards a little and press Ctrl B to add a bevel. And scale up the lower loop of all the fingers. For the thumb, let's select these three faces and make them circle. Move up and scale them down a bit and extrude to make the thumb. Select the back finger and move it in a little using the proportional editing. Press O to enable proportional editing. You can also go to the sculpt mode and do some refinements. Let's rotate and scale the hand a bit. Also adjust the thumb. I would love to see what you guys created following this tutorial, so send me your works or tag me on Instagram. So thank you guys for watching till the end and comment if you have tutorial requests. I'll see you guys on the next video.